Everybody asks, what's my favorite fish? This is it. It's halibut, a great deep water fish from the coasts of Alaska. It's a great fish because it has a natural palate that will pick up the flavor of a lot of other things, but has its own sweetness. And today, I'm going to give you the Mediterranean version of the fish that I used to have every Friday in grade school. I can't believe they fed it to us. It's delicious. Try this. Take your halibut and cut it up into some nice pieces. Sometimes we use 1-inch slices. This time I'm going to use 2-inch slices. Find a good oven-safe bowl. This is a nice Pyrex glass one, and put your pieces in so they're nice and snug. We're going to add a little lemon juice just for the top of the halibut. So now we have some of those nice croutons that we made. Just crunch them up, and that is our breadcrumbs for it. And it's Italian. They say fish has two swims in two places. Once in the ocean and once in olive oil. Simple now, we just put it in the toaster oven and we're ready to go. One of the great advantages of the toaster oven is you can see the halibut cooking. We're halfway through, it's still a little opaque, so it's not ready to go yet. Do you know what this is? This is the fastest way to see if something is done or not. So we're going to do it, and making it in a toaster oven makes it even easier. It is done. In just 15 minutes, we baked this wonderful piece of halibut. Now comes the good part. So good.